What is up, guys? Welcome back to Exselsior Tech. Today I will be reviewing the Ticwatch as pictured right here in front of you. Comes in this interesting colored box right here. I will be unboxing it right now. And there it is. Now, quick disclaimer, this is actually not the first time I opened this. In fact, there's a screen protector on this watch. I've been using this watch for over a year, actually. So if you open it up, there's obviously, the watch. There's also the charging cable here, which I'll point it out now. It uses a proprietary connector here, magnetically hooks on. It's about a 3-foot cable or so. There's also packet. That's about it in here. So let's look at the watch. So here it is. Took it out of the box. This band here it comes with is like a silicone material. It's nice and flexible. I actually do not use this band. I have this band here. It's like a more nylon, I don't know what material to call it, but it's more comfortable, I find, for like when you sweat. It's much more comfortable. This band I think looks a little bit more stylish. I also have a leather color, like a brown leather coming. So I'll link everything I show in the description down below. Now, one of the most important reasons you get a stopwatch is for notifications here. So it runs Wear OS or Google Wear or whatever you want to call it, and it has an app that connects to your phone. Doesn't matter if you have Android or iPhone, iOS, doesn't matter. It'll connect to your phone, and if you get a notification on your phone, it will send it over to your watch. So I'll pull that app up right now on my phone and show you what that looks like. So right now it's not connected to my phone, but that's what it looks like. Ticwatch E, disconnected. There's not too much in the app, but there's a couple settings like notifications you allow. You can sync your calendar, which is actually pretty cool. Google Assistant, if you hold in the side button here, hold it in, and it'll launch Google Assistant. And then other settings. Here's some other settings, such as like your Google account, sign in, and everything with that. So some of the gestures here: swipe down gives you a couple quick tools, and swipe this way is like steps and such. Swiping up is notifications, and then this way is just, there's Google Assistant there, and there's other stuff here. It's kind of random what's here. So if I put the watch on, this is what it looks like. I have a small wrist, really, so I have plenty of room there to grow. This is the watch face I like on it. I think it looks like it's nice watch looks wise. It's not too big, not too small, and depending on the band, it can fit with about any outfit, especially the black. So if we take a look at the specs here, you can see it says water resistant IP67, pedometer sensor, proximity sensor, heart rate sensor. Right there in the middle, that's the heart rate sensor, and it will like flash green, bright LED green lights onto your skin, on your veins, and that's how it checks your heart rate. There's a bunch of different apps on here. I really don't use much besides calculator, stopwatch. I put like 1 or 2 games on it. Now the battery life, you can see right now it's at about 70%. I wore it to school, just had it laying, didn't use it since then. The battery life is good enough, definitely, for a day. If you really baby it, it'll last for 2 days. Especially if you have the always on screen turned off, then it'll last much longer. As I have it now, it's like just black and white. You touch it, then it lights up, has color and everything. And there's also, if you turn the brightness down, that'll help. There's many different faces you can put on the watch. This is the one I like the most right now. You can also create your own faces with apps such as Watchmaker. So here's one that I actually created. Just a simple one here with everything on the outside. Another one I created, I created that wooden one there, which turns black then after a couple seconds. And these I didn't create, they're just other ones. And there's all these. These are preloaded on. There's a lot of faces on here. Like I said before, you can get different bands. I have, like that other one I said, it's really easy to switch it out. Just make sure that at least for this, make sure it is a 20mm band, and you just push that little button, comes right out. Push that and just pull it. Or you don't push it, you actually pull it back. It pulls back on a little metal thing, and you pull it back like that. Pulls back on it, and it just slips right out. And it's really easy to put new ones in then too. Or I guess you could just put it in your pocket as like a pocket watch. I have no idea. The price now, I paid, I believe, $120. Unbox Therapy had a coupon code for it, and I used that. But this is the Ticwatch E, and it's over a year old, and you can buy it now on Amazon new for, I believe, $130. Depends on the day, but that's about an average price. You can get it renewed, which is Amazon's version of certified refurbished, for $110. I'm sure get it used for pretty cheap. So this is a very affordable watch for sure. They also have another app. The Ticwatch is created by Mobvoi, if that's how you pronounce it. But there's an app that really doesn't do too much except for keep track of steps. I don't even have the app on my phone. It's pretty much like an afterthought. The app you need is the Google app. So in conclusion, I think this is a great watch. If you do not want to spend that much money, as I said, you can get it for about $100. It runs Android Wear, Google Wear, Wear OS, whatever it's called now, which is great. You can easily interchange bands. It connects to your phone, tells you steps, notifications. I think it's a great watch. So make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment. Is there anything I missed on my review? Make sure you comment that. Like if you like the video, subscribe. I have some more videos coming up soon. I will be reviewing a gaming mouse, gaming keyboard, plenty more coming. So make sure you subscribe, ring the bell so you know when that all comes out. And thanks for watching.